How to download Python. Download Python. First, you should download Python for free on Windows, macOS, and Linux. Let's see how. First, go to google.com and type Python. Then press enter. And then choose the first one. And then put the mouse on downloads and choose your operating system, either Windows or Mac or either Linux. If you have Linux or Macintosh, it should be already installed on your computer. But you have to make sure that 3.6 or more, the newest version. After downloading, install it on your computer. How to download text editor. Download text editor. Text editor makes you create Python program easier and faster to write and read. So there are a lot of text editors available on internet. We will download and install a text editor called Brackets for free, and it's available for Windows and Mac OS. Let's see how. First, go to google.com and type Brackets, and then choose the first one. After that, download Brackets and install it in your computer. Using our first code in Python. After installing Python to our computer, we go to terminal in our computer and type Python, or Python 3 is better. As you see here, Python is working well. Then try to type print and space and then apostrophe symbol and type hello world. And put apostrophe symbol again and press enter in the keyboard. Very nice. As you can see here, Python printed hello world well. This is our first use of Python. Thank you very much. Understand the basic concepts of Python. So in this lecture, let's understand the basic concepts of Python. Python is an interpreted language, which means you can run the program as soon as you make some changes to the file. So that makes fixing programs is much quicker than many other languages. Python is one of the easiest programming languages to learn, and you can have your basic program and running it in just few minutes, like what we did in the previous lecture. Python is an interpreted language, and it doesn't need to compile it like other object-oriented languages. How Python deals with objects. Python deals with objects. In this lecture, you should know this point really well. Python is an object-oriented language, which means everything in the program seems as objects. So, you will not have to declare variables at the beginning of your program. You can do it at any time. Unlike other programming languages, also, you don't need to specify the type of variable, integer, float, bool, etc.